When we're talking about highly abrasive materials like IHCP and 17.4 pH, one area I often don't talk about is when it comes to sawing and processing these. If you're in a steel service center or if you're in a machine shop where you cut most of your material, you're going to want to keep watching. I just want to take this opportunity to let you know about a blade that's brand new to the market. I've actually had one customer running it and the performance was so good. We've now ordered in a bunch of coil stock to Thomas Skinner so that they can weld up and pre-make these blades for whatever length you need. And the customer is running an 1.5 inch blade height, 17 foot, 5 inches total overall length in a 3/4 pitch in the Amada Axcela H. I don't normally get excited about saw blades, but I have to tell you, when the customer called to tell me about how well they were working, I was blown away. They've been cutting so much IHCP that they've been looking for a carbide blade that can really stand up to the abrasive nature of the material. And they threw IHCP at this, they threw 17.4 pH and multiple hardness states, as well as a lot of other materials they consider difficult to cut. Now, they are a steel service center. Their sawyers specialize in cutting tough stuff and in large volumes. Now, they went from throwing out and wearing out a blade in a week or less to running, 2 to 3 weeks and getting higher volume through. That means they're cutting all their stock faster. And when they are supplying machine shops around, I am so grateful that this blade came to market, because that means all the machine shops they supply are now able to get that material faster than they've ever been able to get it before. I've got a little bit of it back here. It's a brand new product, so even the webpage itself from Amada does not have a ton of information. The blades that I tried, the 17 foot 5 inch, 1.5 inch with the 3/4 pitch, they also offer a 2/3 pitch and coarser as well. It's the way that they do this tooth design right here, and all I know is the results they're seeing. So when it comes to supporting manufacturing and getting more material into the shops at a faster rate, helping the steel service centers reduce that lead time so that they can supply more machine shops with material, we're getting more parts machined and more products are getting to customers faster than ever before. If you're looking to get this blade, let us know. I'm going to tag Sandy over at Amada and Wade Dedman as well. They've really been integral in successful implementation of this blade. Right here, it's the way that you can say you've got 3 different types of teeth being set, and that allows for the high rate of cutting and the increased volume being pushed through the steel service centers now thanks to this blade. It is a brand new product to market. Information is going to be updated as it goes. Reaching out to Wade Dedman or Sandy is going to get you that information that much quicker, because they are on the front lines testing these blades and seeing the success firsthand. I'm all about keeping your spindles turning and earning, and material is a key part to that component. Until next time.